Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer. If you guys are new here, I welcome you, and if you guys are back, welcome back guys. I'm excited that y'all are here because today I have this beautiful new Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. This guy just dropped on the Charlotte Tilbury website and I decided to pick it up. So I got mine in the shade Tan. There are 4 shades within the range. This one is the 3rd deepest shade. That's the one I picked up because I don't have anything super deep really, and a matte bronzer, because that's what this is. This is a matte bronzer. I don't really have anything super deep, so I wanted something a little bit deeper because I know that I do get some color in the summer and I thought it would be nice to use in the summer. So a little bit about this bronzer though. Let's check it out. Charlotte Tilbury website. So it is a matte bronzer. The tan shade is for medium to tanned skin tones for the appearance of a glowing, sun-kissed, beautiful bronzed complexion. It retails for $55. It says it's 10 grams on the website, but you're actually, this guy is 16 grams. So I don't know if it's, they must have printed it on their website, but this guy is massive. This is the Airbrush Flawless Finish, the powder. Look at it. It's huge. Do you see that? It's so big. It's about, look, the size of my hand. I love that it looks kind of like a seashell. I love that. Well, you know, I love all beach stuff anyway. So let's see. It's a hyaluronic acid infused smoothing, pore blurring effect matte bronzer for the face and the body. Inspired by my, Charlotte Tilbury talking here, inspired by my one sold every minute worldwide phenomenon, Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder, this guy. My new Airbrush bronzer uses the same beautifying airbrush DNA and fine as air finely milled pigments to blur the appearance of pores and smooth over your skin to make you look and feel like the best, most beautiful version of yourself. It's matte bronzing made easy. All right, well, let's try it on, y'all. Before we try it on, I just want to thank you so much for being here. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed already, I invite you to do so. I'd love for you to join us here. Let me know what you think below. I'm curious to know what your thoughts are about this launch. Thank you so much for being here, and we're gonna go ahead and try it on. Okay, let's get into trying this bronzer on, shall we? There are 4 shades. It retails for $55. I purchased mine off of the Charlotte Tilbury website. I got mine in the shade Tan. I'm gonna try it with the Scott Barnes kind of bigger number 67 powder brush. And I'm just gonna start, I'm gonna go in. So, first time, guys. I hate messing it up, but I really wanna try it. So these are first impressions, guys. I have not even dipped into this yet. So here we go. Oh, pretty. So this is kind of what it looks like. And I am just gonna throw my hair back. I feel like I should tap it though, just in case. Always tap, always tap. And then go in. It is matte, pretty matte here. Okay. The pickup isn't too much if I just slightly tap, and then I can build. Can you see? It's pretty buildable here. I like a lot of bronzer, guys. I might get carried away here. It's blending beautifully. Okay, let me talk about, I was on the fence about getting this. Reason being is her powder, like her original powder, is just okay for me. I know some people like, it's their holy grail, they swear by it type thing. For me, it's just okay. I think it's a little too heavy for my skin. I like something that's not as heavy. So for me, I was worried. I honestly was worried about trying this because I was worried that it'd be too heavy on my skin. This is actually nice. It is not too heavy. It's not muddy. Take it down my neck. It is matte. There is no sheen to it at all. I have a lot of cream bronzers and I have a lot of ones with a little bit of sheen. A matte one is not one that I have a lot of. Wow, this is not muddy. It is really nice. It gives a healthy kind of sunlit glow in a matte way, but you still see kind of the glow shine through from my foundation and things like that. I'm kind of liking it so far. I'm excited to try this more. Look at this packaging, guys. I just can't get over it. I'm keeping this out. It is so pretty. This looks really nice. I like it, blended out well, was not muddy looking. The shade itself is great for me. Mine is 3 tan and it is refillable too, and it says that it can be used for the face and body. It says it's a filter. I don't know about that. I mean, you can still see my skin and I love that, and you can see kind of the glow kind of peeking through. I like that. I think that's really nice. So for me, so far so good. I'm going to continue to try it out and just see how it goes. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. Just first impressions, giving you a little sneak peek about, this bronzer, what it looks like on. It was easy to apply. Very, very simple. It's pricey, but you're getting a lot for your money. I feel like with this bronzer, it's massive. I mean, look at it. It's like bigger than the size of the palm of my hand. You get 16 grams in it. It's beautiful. It's really pretty. I hope that you guys are having a great day, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.